5G network settings problem 100% solved in this video. So please watch till end. Fina skip here. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. This is Prince and you are watching Prince Techshop. अपने आईफोन और एंड्रॉयड सीरीज में 5G नेटवर्क ऑन करने के लिए मैं दो चीज़ करनी पड़ेगी. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू रीसेट आवर network settings. Second, we have to change from LTE to 5G. Open settings, general, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset. Here the reset network setting. हमने अपना नेटवर्क रिसेट कर लिया है. सो आप यहाँ से अपना नेटवर्क रिसेट करिए. And second things we have to do, open settings, tap on mobile data roaming, voice and data, tap on 5G on, back, tap on data mode. Here you can choose standard. You can see the 5G song in my phone. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Like and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. Bye.